Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to discuss two very important news articles of finance. The first one is about the scheduled payment bank and the small finance bank that has got the update from the Reserve Bank of India. So we will discuss that what this update is all about. And the second news article is about the Paytm that has launched the education tech platform, that is the Wealth Academy, and we will discuss that what this platform do or it is all about. So now before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now the RBI has updated on SFBs and the payment bank. SFBs are the small finance banks. RBI consulted with the Department of Financial Services that is under the Ministry of Finance. Okay, and after the consultations, the RBI decided that the scheduled payment banks and the scheduled small finance banks will become eligible to conduct the government agency business. So now the banks, the scheduled payment banks or the scheduled small finance banks, if they want to handle the government agency business, they can get appointed as an agent of the RBI upon execution of the agreement. When they do an agreement with the RBI, provided that they are complying with the regulatory framework of prescribed for these banks. Okay, that is the PCA framework there is, or the other regulations and norms that is decided by the RBI. If they are complying with those norms, with those frameworks like the PCA framework, then only they can get appointed as an agent of the RBI. Now what this government agency business is that the agents have to do. Okay, so the agents have to they have to do the tax collection for the state and the central governments, or they have to provide the payments like the pension payments on the behalf of the center and state governments. So revenue receipts they have to collect on behalf of the center and state governments, or they have to do the payments on behalf of the center and state governments like the pension payments and the collection of stamp duty charges. Okay, so RBI carries out the general banking business for the government and through the agents also and through its own offices also. Okay, so these are all the functions that they have to carry out. Now background, see, it was not recently the SFBs and the payment banks got the approval to conduct the government agency business if they get appointed. Okay, but in May 2021, the RBI has revised the existing guidelines. See, under the existing guidelines, only the scheduled public sector banks and only 3 scheduled private banks had the permission to act as the government agent. The RBI agent, to act as the RBI agent. Okay, and these 3 scheduled private banks were the SGFC, the ICICI and the Axis Bank. So only the scheduled public sector banks and these 3 banks, the private sector banks, were allowed were conducting the government business. But in May 2021, the RBI revised the existing guidelines, and that is the appointment of scheduled private sector banks as agency banks of the RBI, and it authorized that even the scheduled private sector banks can become the agency banks of the RBI for conducting the government business. Okay, so before that only they were allowed, but after May 2021 even the scheduled private sector banks were allowed as the agents. And on the recent guidelines regarding the SFBs and the payment bank, now they have also been permitted that they can also be appointed as the agent. So next is Paytm launches Paytm Wealth Academy. So why this has been launched and what this is. So Paytm has announced the launch of the Paytm Wealth Academy. This is a fully tech-powered educational platform, and this has been launched on this launch of the Wealth Academy has been initially on the Paytm Money app, and it is only for the selected users for now, and later on it will be rolled out for all the users. Okay, so what is the Paytm Wealth Academy, why it has been launched? So see, the Paytm Wealth Academy has this kind of the interface, and it is a tech powered, as I told you. So why it has been launched? Because there were many retail investors, there were many people that are now engaged in or are coming day by day. The number of the retail investors, the number of the people getting engaged in the financial market has been increasing continuously. So there are many people. The Paytm Wealth Academy will allow the users to learn trading and the financial concepts at their own pace, at their own level of comfort. So it has been needed that the newcomers that are coming in the industry, that are coming in the financial market, they should also have the knowledge, and they can also easily access the knowledge. So for that, the Paytm Wealth Academy has been launched, and even not only for the basic users or the people that do not have much knowledge about the market, but even for the advanced users, to keep them updated. Even if they know everything about the finance and everything about trading, but still there are updates every day that we can see. So for them to keep updated, for them to be updated about the market, this app has been launched. So even if you do not know anything about the finance, you do not know anything about the trading, the investors, the traders, the retail investors, the people can get information, they can get courses under the Paytm Wealth Academy. Even if you are advanced in this field, even you have the whole knowledge, still there are some updates that you need to know, and that has been provided. So the platform offers a wide catalog of courses and webinars along with personalized recommendations for the users. That is, there are customized courses for the users, curated to complement their existing knowledge. Even if your knowledge is not even the basic level, still you want to know more about the trading and more about the financial market, you will be helped through the courses. And even if you have the most advanced knowledge about the market, you will be provided the courses so that you can keep yourself up to date with the financial market, as the changes are inevitable in the financial market. So for this, the Paytm Wealth Academy has been launched with different courses and different webinars. So now there is a practice question. Direct questions can be asked from both the news articles, like for example like this, that which category bank or banks have been made eligible by RBI after consulting with Department of Financial Services. And the main point is recently. Okay, so you have to tell recently who has got the permission. And in the Paytm one, which is the new educational tech platform that has been launched by the Paytm, such kind of question can be asked, and different names can be given. You just have to select the right one. So these are the people that have given the right answer of the previous question. So Mintu, Hansa, Aarti, Vivek, Yukti, Namita, Paromita, Shrikanta, Yashwanath, Yogesh, Shamli, Divya, Uttam and Rishabh are the people that have given the right answer. Well done, I must say. And thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you.